Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Android keyboard simply is not showing up. So we want to swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll on through here. Let's just go to search on the top and type in keyboard. So every way is going to be a little bit different to get to this option, but let's go to keyboard. And then we want to go to system keyboard. System keyboard. Here we go. Then go to keyboard. Then go to on-screen keyboard right here. And then we can just see what keyboard is available on our device. So on my Google Pixel phone, I'm using the Gboard. You could be using like the Samsung keyboard or something like that. You could try disabling it and then re-enabling it. But remember the name of your keyboard that you're using. And we want to go back to settings. Go to apps. Go to see all apps. And locate the name of that keyboard on here. So I'm using the Gboard. So I'm going to go through here until I see Gboard. Here's Gboard. Now I want to force stop it. Go to OK. Go to storage and cache. And I want to clear the cache. Now you could clear the storage too if it's still not working for whatever reason. And this is going to delete any kind of files or anything you have saved for it for the settings. So just a heads up if you have something saved. So I'm going to delete that too. And then I can go back to my keyboard and see if it opens up now. So here's my keyboard, it's opening up. I have to turn back on the clipboard here and everything. But let's say you got a different keyboard and it's still not working for whatever reason. Go to the Google Play Store and go to search and type in keyboards. And you can download a different keyboard. And maybe some of these have good ratings. So this one's got like a 4.8. We translate. That's AI translator. You don't want that. But go ahead and get this keyboard, the Gboard, the Google keyboard. Otherwise, you could try one of these other keyboards too if it's still not working. So I'm going to go to the keyboard here for Google. And then just install this. And that is what works for me. So if everything else doesn't work, just restart your phone too if you haven't tried that. I know it's simple, but most of the time that helps or works or fixes your issue. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.